Hey guys, Colin here, and I hope that you have enjoyed this last trade. Those of you who have been following my past couple of videos, you can go back and check. We talked about USD Japanese yen coming here to an apex. I talked about it when it was actually down here, and we looked at it and I said, hey, you know what? I still expect this to go up. And if it rises above this point, then I don't see anything stopping it from going back to this level. And that is exactly where I had my sell order. Look at that. I caught that thing like right at the top, guys. Sell order was in, and then down she came. Really, this is on the 4-hour chart, but this all happened in less than an hour. This may have happened in like 20 to 25 minutes. She came screaming down, all the way down to my take profit level, and that was the result. All right, so call it 600 bucks in maybe less than half an hour. So that was the result of that trade right there, guys. Next thing I'm looking at right now actually is the Euro Great Britain pound. Well, that and the Euro USD are kind of doing the same thing. Made a tremendous jump. The Euro USD jump was even bigger, right, all the way up here. I talked about this in a previous video as well, about this being a support level, but I said that I would really be looking for a serious buy opportunity somewhere down here or even down here where it would come back and meet this area. So those are the two areas that I was looking for. Or as we can see right here, huge surge, and it just went screaming all the way up. Of course, nothing goes up forever, so it has to retrace. I do expect normally with a candle like this, normally it comes down at least halfway, goes back up to test its limits. It's meeting the 50-day here, so we have some rejection here from the 50-day moving average on this candle. So if I'm looking to do a sell order, and if you look at it, this is actually right back to where it first made this big sell-off right here. So it pretty much is right back at this level. So if I'm looking to test something here, I would probably be doing a sell order somewhere right around here, right around that 50-day moving average. And I would set a fairly tight stop loss. If it breaks through here, it may go up to the 200-day and get rejected from there. But if I were looking at doing a sell order at this point for this one, I might do that, but I would have a really tight stop loss because it was also very low on the RSI, so it could be making a stronger move up. If I zoom out, technically we don't know if we're out of this downtrend yet, because this was a lower low and this again was a lower high. So this is the first higher low. So to find out if this is kind of a trend reversal, as you can see, we've been in this downtrend from all the way over here to 25th of September. So to know if we're really breaking out of this, I would have to see it get above this level for me to start to take it seriously, right? Because we need to set a higher high. We still haven't done that yet. We've set a higher low at this point, but we have not yet set a higher high. So you kind of wait for those indications at this level as well. If it comes up this high, you can see that that's a very, very strong resistance level right there. So if it goes that high, that might be a place where I set a sell order, because I'm sure it would have to get rejected a bit and come down at least a couple hundred pips, so I could scalp some profits right there, before it continued its way up, if it's going up. I don't know that yet based on this chart, but those two things are certainly keeping my attention. This Euro Great Britain pound, I mean, what I'm looking at here, guys, is if you look at this surge right here, I mean, usually when you see a surge like that, it's going to eventually at some point in time return back to that surge, because it's not a sustainable move, right? It was just like a super blast and you generally find that it comes back down. So I'd really be looking to do a sell order right now. I actually currently have a sell order on this one as well. But as you can see, it made a little surge here because the Euro USD, the Euro Great Britain Pound normally does the same thing. So the Euro just, kind of took a nice shot up. We'll see how strong that continues, whether or not it does. Looking at the big picture of this, this has not broken structure yet, because this was still technically a little bit of a lower high. So we're not sure if this is done yet. This still could be continuing its way down. So this hasn't broken market structure yet to tell me if we're really in an uptrend. But anyway, guys, the main thing was I just wanted to share with you, simple profits from this trade, and hope that you guys enjoyed some profits as well based on my trade alert. All right, remember, if you want to learn even more how you can do this on a regular basis, go ahead, sign up on my website, take my course. It's only $99 one time. It's worth its weight in gold, as you can see, just from that one trade alone. I mean, that is 6 times worth the value of the course in profits. So guys, I encourage you, take that as soon as possible, so you can really learn how to trade relatively stress-free, and you can stay tuned to my trade alerts and my signals. All right, guys, take care. Bye-bye.